The 2026 Toyota Celica has a secret feature that Toyota hasn't revealed yet, and it could completely change the way we think about modern sports cars. This isn't just a comeback, it's a revolution. Today, we're going to dive deep into everything you didn't see in the teaser. Exclusive design details, surprising new technology, and secret performance enhancements that are still largely unknown. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning. From the first glance, it's clear the 2026 Celica isn't just a redesign, it's a rebirth. With razor-sharp LED headlights, a low-slung grille, and a sculpted hood, the front end screams performance. The flowing lines along the side panels channel both airflow and admiration, while the massive black alloy wheels and red brake calipers amplify the car's aggressive stance. This isn't just a car that turns heads. It stops conversations.
Around the back, the new Celica continues to flex its muscles. A chiseled rear diffuser, dual exhaust outlets, and futuristic taillights wrap into a wide, aerodynamic profile that hints at its track-ready intentions. The rear fenders bulge with purpose, giving the coupe a squat, planted look. Everything about the exterior speaks of power, agility, and futuristic ambition. Under the hood, Toyota brings precision engineering to life. The Celica is powered by a turbocharged 2.4-liter inline-4 engine pushing close to 320 horsepower, paired with a lightning-fast 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters. For purists, a 6-speed manual variant will also be available. It's built on Toyota's TNGA platform, promising a perfect balance between rigidity and weight distribution for sharp cornering and smooth ride quality. What's new beneath the surface? Toyota has integrated a semi-autonomous driving suite with advanced machine learning, allowing the Celica to adapt its behavior based on the driver's habits over time. Inside, a holographic digital cluster debuts for the first time in a Toyota sports coupe, providing an immersive driving experience previously only seen in concepts. An optional Track Mode Plus package introduces telemetry data, G-force monitoring, and even brake temperature visualization. The 2026 Toyota Celica isn't just a return of a legendary nameplate, it's Toyota making a statement. With jaw-dropping design, cutting-edge tech, and performance that rivals cars twice the price, the Celica is positioned to disrupt the modern sports coupe market. One thing's for sure, this isn't just nostalgia, it's the future, engineered,